Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about lymphocytes. So let's start our topic with introduction. Lymphocytes are type of white blood cells that play a central role in immune system, especially in adaptive immunity. They make up about 20 to 40% of circulating lymphocytes and they are responsible for recognizing antigen, for producing antibodies and for destroying infected or abnormal cells. Unlike neutrophils, which provide immediate defense, lymphocytes ensure long-term immunity and immune memory. Structure of lymphocyte. According to size, there are two types of lymphocytes, small lymphocytes and large lymphocytes. Small lymphocytes are about 6 to 9 micrometer in length and large lymphocytes are about 10 to 14 micrometer in length. Their nucleus is large, round and dark staining, thus occupying most of the cell. Their cytoplasm is thin rim of pale blue cytoplasm that is sometimes contains small granules. Their lifespan varies from a few days to several years. Like memory lymphocyte can persist for decades. Types of lymphocytes. They include B lymphocyte, T lymphocyte, and natural killer cells. First we'll talk about B lymphocytes. B lymphocytes are also called as B cells. They develop in bone marrow. They are responsible for humoral immunity, that is antibody mediated defense. They differentiate into plasma cells that produce antibodies and memory B cells that provide long-term immunity. Then the other type of B cells are lymphocytes are T lymphocytes that are also called as T cells. They mature in the thymus. They are responsible for cell-mediated immunity. Subtypes of T lymphocytes include helper T cells that regulate immune response and activate B cells and macrophages. Then there are cytotoxic T cells that are also called as CD8 cells that kill virus infected cells and tumor cells. Then there are regulatory T cells that suppress excessive immune actions. And then there are memory T cells that provide faster response upon re-exposure to antigens. So there are four basic types of T lymphocytes. Then there are natural killer cells that are also the lymphocytes. They are part of innate immune system. They destroy virus infected cells and cancer cells without prior sensitization. They release cytotoxic granules to kill target cells. Functions of lymphocytes. First function is immune surveillance as they recognize and respond to foreign antigens. Second function is antibody production as B cells differentiate into plasma cells to secrete antibodies. Third function is cell-mediated immunity as T cells destroy infected cells and regulate immune response. Fourth functions of lymphocyte is cytotoxicity as natural killer cells and cytotoxic T cells kill abnormal cells. Fifth function is immunological memory as memory cells retain antigen information for rapid response upon reinfection. Role in inflammation and immunity of lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are more prominent in chronic inflammation than acute inflammation. They orchestrate long-term immune responses. B cells and T cells work together with antigen-presenting cells to mount a targeted defense. Clinical significance of lymphocyte. First is lymphocytosis, that is elevated lymphocyte count. It is common in viral infection like hepatitis, mononucleosis, and also in some leukemias. Second significance is lymphocytopenia, that is low lymphocyte count, and it is seen in HIV or AIDS patient, in chemotherapy and in immunodeficiency disorders. Third significance is autoimmune disease, as rheumatoid arthritis and lupus are result from abnormal lymphocyte activity. Fourth significance is lymphoma and leukemias that are cancers of lymphocytes or lymphoid tissues. Conclusion of this lecture video. Lymphocytes are key players in the body defense system, providing both specific immunity and immunological memory. B cells, T cells, and natural killer cells perform distinct but complementary roles in fighting infection and abnormal cells. Proper lymphocyte function is vital for health, while their dysfunction can lead to immunodeficiency, autoimmunity, or malignancies. And this was all about lymphocytes. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.